And we are back on the Scouting Report with this week's kitchen goals. Stefan Frei has something you might have served at Thanksgiving and you could possibly serve at your next tailgate. Take it away, Steph.
Hey everybody, it's Stefan Frei, and today on Kitchen Goals we're making a peach pineapple wine slushie. This is perfect for when the game is on fire and you need to cool down. Let's get to it. All right, so we got some pineapple and peaches. Like I said, we're using frozen. That way we don't have to use ice and dilute the whole thing. So we're gonna dump all that in here. Some frozen pineapple. We got some peaches. And here we got our white wine, and it's whatever you prefer. It can be a sweet one or dry. There you go. We're going to start this easy. All right, we're going to add a little bit more white wine here, just to make sure that we end up with a nice pourable consistency. That looks good. We got our glasses over here ready to go. Need some pineapple leaves to garnish. Looks great. I've used peaches and pineapples, but you can use whatever you want, some berries, mangoes, whatever you prefer. Garnish it. Slice of pineapple leaves. And there you have it. That's our take on the peach and pineapple wine slushie. And if you're interested, you can go to KIRO7.com/sports.
Pretty good, Steph. All right, as for the Raiders, as we mentioned, they're coming off their first win on the road, their first road win of the year, but they're still struggling to build on that and stay relevant this season. Basically, they're playing for their job.